Good morning, dear friends. Today I'm talking about SpaceX one greatest achievement. The satellite or the rocket name is called Falcon 9. So, a new era in the lead of reusable rocket vehicles in space exploration, which is done by Falcon 9, and it is the greatest rocket that made by SpaceX. So, what is the common feature or what is the major feature that is used to Falcon 9 to make this rocket is more reliable? So, Falcon 9 is two-stage rockets designed and manufactured by SpaceX for the reliable and the safe transport of satellite to satellite and Dragon spacecraft into orbit. Falcon 9 is the first orbital class rocket capability to reflight means this rocket is used again and again, and uh, one another properties or capabilities that SpaceX believe that if we made a reusable rocket, so it is the key of breakthrough needed to reduce the cost of access to space and enable to people live on another planet. And Falcon 9 was designed from the ground up for the maximum reliability. Falcon 9 simply two stages configuration minimize the number of separation event. Separation event is the very crucial event for the satellite because there is if your each and every stage is not doing very well, that that lead you to reduce the capability of your mission. So if if a low separation in your rocket, then it is good for the final mission. So in this way, Falcon 9 is very good because it is only two stage configuration rocket, and with the 9 first stage engine, because in the first stage there is a 9 engine properly work, and it can safely complete mission even the one of the event where one engine is shut down and still they complete their task. So this is the property of that Falcon 9, and their function is for Falcon 9 is used for the orbital launch vehicle, and their height is 70 meter and its diameter is approx 3.7 meter. Their mass is 5,49,054 kilogram, and there is a two-stage rocket we already discussed, and their status is that active block 5, which is active. And in the first stage, the engine name is called Merlin First D plus. Their thruster force. Thrust means that extra push given to the rocket that leads to go uplift the rocket, which is 7,607 kilonewton. Their burning time is 162 seconds, and the number of engine work already we discussed. There is 9 engine work properly, and the fuel is used is named called LOX or RP first. In the second stage, the engine name is called Merlin 1D Vacuum Plus, and their thruster force is 903 34 kilonewton, and their burning time is 397 seconds, and there is only one engine that work for second uh, in the second stage, which is good because and their fuel is also called same fuel is used. And the payload capacity in the first stage, when the Falcon 9 goes from ground zero to the upper force, that time we use 22,800 kilogram fuel. In the GTU time, 8,300 kilogram we use fuel, and when it goes to the Mars, that time this rocket is used 4,020 kilogram fuel. So what is the reliability aspect? So we some extent we are talking about what is the historical aspect of Falcon 9. So Falcon 9 made the history in 2012 when it delivered the Dragon. into the correct orbit for the rendezvous with the International Space Station, making SpaceX the first commercial company eager to visit the station. Since then, Falcon 9 has made numerous trips to the space, delivering satellite to the orbit as well as delivering the restoring cargo from the space station. Space station, very big station. That time they they usually running cargo from the space station. So this is a big achievement for NASA as well as Falcon 9 for this rocket also. And Falcon 9 along with the Dragon spacecraft was designed from the outset to deliver humans into space, and under the agreement with the NASA, SpaceX is actively working towards to achieve that goal. And the cost per launch is $2 billion as per estimated is 2022 20, and cost per launch reused rocket is $50 per $50 million per estimate in 2019, and there is this rocket is launched at 53 times, and there is 81 successful launches, and there is two failure, and out of 51 landing there is 43 landing is successful. And this rocket is launched in the Vandenberg SLS-4E and another Cape Carnival SLS-40 and Kennedy Space Center LC-39-1. These are the places where is launching Falcon 9. Thank you very much. I hope you guys understanding these all things very well.